our top story.
I have lived here for 30 years.
For more than a quarter of a century, Lynn Miller-Pease has looked out this window at this wall covered with graffiti.
The graffiti has been here a long time. The amount of it has not.
She says there was some graffiti on the property next door when she first moved to College Avenue, but over time, what was once a little became a lot.
It's kind of built.
The buildup eventually caused Miller-Pease to call the city just a couple of years ago.
I made a concern call to Metropolitan Development, and Kelly Coors said, Lynn, we're working on it.
She soon discovered crime prevention officers like Nick Sandalo.
We flirted around with different chemicals.
We're investing quite some time into the city's graffiti problem. Sandalo says it's not a growing problem, but more of one that continues to exist and needs to be addressed.
I would say we have a lot of the existing. And once we get the existing stuff knocked down, it will be easier to track it.
Officer Sandalo says people usually go to places like alleys or overpasses to use spray paint because it's dark, making it difficult to be seen. And spray paint is difficult to remove, which is why the Evansville Police Department used leftover city money to get a new piece of equipment called the Soda Blaster to battle the graffiti.
That baking soda particle hits that and basically just kind of explodes and tears that little piece of paint off with it.
Miller-Pease says the clean wall will be a beautiful sight to see, but the best sight, seeing the city working together.
When I come out my door and I see policemen, city council people, the mayor, companies, all these people coming together to make something better, I can't do anything but celebrate that.
Amanda Chodnicki, 44 News.
The graffiti removal system was bought by the Department of Metropolitan Development using leftover money from the Haney's Corner parking lot project. Anyone in the public who has graffiti on their property and wants it removed is asked to call the EPD Crime Prevention Line.